How to choose the right skill as a Nigerian student without regret. Being a Nigerian student is hard. Strike, poor power supply, financial struggle, and on top of that, pressure of what will I do after school. But here is the trick many students are just realizing. School alone is no longer enough if you want to survive, thrive, and maybe even support family while in school. You need a skill. I am Khadijah. I remember being in your shoe, unsure, overwhelmed, and just trying to figure things out. I explored a few skills. Hoping something will click. Some didn't feel right for me, others I had give. But along the way, I discovered what truly aligned with my passion, and that changed everything. But when I helped a friend promote a 12 store on Facebook, something clicked. That's how I discovered my love for digital marketing, and that changed everything. So how do you choose a skill that won't waste your time or energy? Let me break it down for you, fast and real. Step 1, know yourself. Ask yourself, do I enjoy creating or fixing things? Am I better behind the scene or in front of people? Do I love talking, writing, designing, or selling, or solving problems? Your skills should match your personality. Step 2, choose what Nigeria needs. Don't just learn what trending. Learn what solves a problem in your area or community. Skills like graphic design, video editing, Facebook or WhatsApp marketing, mini importation, makeup, tailoring, phone repair, UI stroke, UX design, copywriting. Choose what people are already paying for, not what just look fancy. Step 3, start with what you have. Some skills cost money, but many don't. Start with free YouTube tutorial, free tools and practice. Use your semester break or strike period wisely. Even 1 hour a day can build a future. Don't wait till you have a laptop for a course. Start where you are. Step 4, test then commit. You won't be sure until you try. Pick one skill, test it for 2 weeks. If you enjoy it and can keep going, go deeper. If you hate it, drop it and try another. There is no shame in switching. The only shame is wasting years doing nothing. Mistake to avoid. Don't learn 4 skills at a time. Don't copy others without knowing your own interests. Don't be afraid to start because of what people will say. Don't just watch tutorials. Practice is what builds confidence. Dear student, your background doesn't define your future. Whether you are in ND, university, or even waiting for admission, you can build something meaningful. Start small, start unsure, but just start. Your first 5,000 from a skill will change how you see yourself, and you will thank yourself for not waiting. If this helped you, like this video, share it with a friend and subscribe. Need help choosing the right skills and joining a community of student entrepreneur? Click the link in the description. Let's go together. See you in the next video. Keep building. You have got this.